This expression, what is this? It resolves to one value. Is it 2.5? 4.5? Let's find out in a while. 3 plus 3 by 3 is 3 plus 1.0, which is 4.0. If we use parentheses, we can add 3 to 3 first and divide next. Let's get to our original question. 3 raised to the power of 6 is 729 and 3 into 7 is 21. 21 floor divide 4 is 5 and 5 mod 729 is 5. Now 2 plus 5 is 7 and 7 by 2 is 3.5. So the answer is 3.5. Some constructs let us perform short circuiting to reach the result quicker and more efficiently. 0 or hello and 1. 0 or hello is hello. Hello and 1 is 1. OR evaluates y only if x is false and evaluates y only if x is true. Similarly, any stops at the first true value and all stops at the first false. This happens in conditional operators as well, and in ternary operators, print if 1 is not evaluated here. Some operators are left to right associative, some associate right to left, and some are not associative either way. This is rather equivalent to 7 greater than 8 and 8 greater than check of 4.